Welcome back. Today we're whipping up something truly delightful. Instapot vegan split pea soup. It's hearty, it's wholesome, and it's perfect for those chilly evenings or busy weekdays. So let's dive in. It's prep time. Start off by chopping 2 cups of celery. I like to use my 2-cup glass Pyrex to measure. Next, peel and chop 4 shallots. I like using shallots because they have a slightly sweet and sharp flavor. Next, I rinse the potatoes and chop them up into similar sized pieces so they can cook evenly. I use baby tomatoes, but you can use any potatoes you want. Next, cut up 2 cups of baby carrots, again using the 2-cup Pyrex to measure. Then I took out a bowl colander and rinsed the split peas, filling and draining the water 4 times. Now it's time to get out the Instapot, remove the lid, and hit the saute button. Once it heats up, I add a 1/4 cup of water, shallots, and minced garlic. Pour over oil when I saute. This will heat up relatively quickly. Next, add the celery and carrots. This will allow them to get a little soft before the pot goes on. Next, add the frozen peas. This will allow them to thaw a little bit. Now it's time to add the spices: thyme, oregano, and paprika. Turn off the saute, then get ready to add the remaining ingredients. Start off by adding some of the vegetable broth, then the split peas. Next, add the potatoes. Now add the remaining broth. Make sure to fill the pot to the max line. Don't forget to add the bay leaf. Smudge it down into the soup. Before you shut the lid, mix all the ingredients and give it a good stir. Lock the lid and set the pressure to cook for 10 minutes with a 10-minute natural release. After you release the pressure, again, give the soup a good stir and wait a full 5 minutes before you portion. Don't forget to spoon out the bay leaves. This recipe yielded 8 pints plus a tasting portion. And there you have it, our Instapot vegan split pea soup is ready to be enjoyed. If you want to give this recipe a try, be sure to check out the link in the description below for a full list of ingredients and instructions. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes.